Hello students, welcome to my channel. Myself Rajiv Maurya from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Student, in this video we shall discuss some important question from the exercise which based on the method of finding the solution of linear equation. I hope you have no any doubt in the last few videos that we have discussed about the linear equation. So I hope you would like this video also. So here in this video we shall discuss question and I hope you would like. So let's start. So in this section we shall discuss the question of linear equation in one variable, and the method that we shall use here is the simultaneous operation method on both sides of the equation. So there are some important questions are given. So the first question is given here, which is 3x plus 7 is equal to 25. We have to find out the value of x from this variable. That is, we have to find the solution of the equation. So let us see how we apply the method of simultaneous operation on both sides. Okay, so in this question we can see that 7 is added with 3x. So first of all, in order to make this 7 as 0, we have to subtract 7 from both sides. As I told you that if any number is operated with the variable, then we have to carrying out the reverse operation in the equation on both sides. So here 7 is added. So in order to make this 7 as 0, we have to subtract 7 from both sides. Okay, so let's see. So first of all, here we have, when we write here subtracting subtracting 7. Okay, so we subtract 7, we write here 3x plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 25 minus 7. Okay, now solve it. So we get 3x and 7 minus 7 become 0, and here we get 25 minus 7 as 18. So this implies 3x is equal to 18. Now again we can see that 3 is multiplied with x. So in order to separate 3 from x, we have to divide the both side by 3. Okay, so writing divide by 3 on both side, we get, so when we divide we write 3x upon 3 is equal to 18 upon 3, and we get 3 and 3 cancelled out, 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18. So we get x is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 is the required solution of the given equation. Okay, this is the required solution. X is equal to 6 is the required solution. Now let's check that our solution is right or not. In order to check our solution, we have to substitute the value of x in the original equation, and if the left hand side become equal to right hand side, then we assure that our solution is true. So that our equation was 3x plus 7 is equal to 25. Substituting x is equal to 6. So we get 3 multiplied by 6 plus 7 is equal to 25, and we get 18 plus 7 is equal to 25, which give us 25 is equal to 25, which implies that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, which means that our solution is true. Therefore our solution is true. I hope the solution is clear to everyone. Now let us see the next question. The next question is 2p minus 1 is equal to 23. This is the given equation and we have to find out the value of p. Okay, from this question we have to find out the value of p. So using simultaneous operation method on both sides. So let's see how we do this. So as we can see in the question that here 1 is subtracted from 2p, that is 1 has minus sign. So in order to make this 1 as 0, we have to adding 1 on both sides. So we write adding 1 on both sides of the equation. So when we add 1, we get 2p minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 23 plus 1. So we get here 2p and minus 1 plus 1 become 0, and here we get 23 plus 1 as 24, or it may be written as 2p is equal to 24. Now in the next step we can see that here 2 is multiplied by p. So in order to separate p from 2, we have to divide both sides by 2. So when we divide, we divide the equation by 2 on both sides. Okay, so let's divide. So when we divide, we write 2p upon 2 is equal to 24 upon 2, which will be equal to 2 and 2 cancel out, and here we get 2 1 ja 2, 12 2 ja 24. So we get p is equal to 12. So that p is equal to 12 is the solution of the equation. P is equal to 12 is the solution of the equation. In order to check the answer, we have to substitute the value of p in the original equation. So let's check. So here we write check. For this we have to write the initial equation. The initial equation was 2p minus 1 is equal to 23. This was the original equation. So put p is equal to 12. So when we substitute p is equal to 12, we get 2 into 12 minus 1 is equal to 23, or this imply 24 minus 1 is equal to 23, or this imply 23 is equal to 23. That is left hand side is equal to right hand side, which means that our solution is true. Our solution is true. So I hope student the solution of these two questions and the explanation is clear to everyone. Now let's see one more question. Okay, the next question is given as 4 plus 5 into p minus 1 is equal to 34. And here we have to also find out the value of p. For this, we have to observe that which number is operated with p. So here first we can see that 4 is added with the term having p. So here our first aim is to be vanish 4 from left hand side. So here 4 is added, therefore we use the reverse operation of addition, and here we shall subtract 4 from both sides. So we write subtracting 4, subtracting 4 on both sides we get. So when we subtract, we get 4 plus 5 p minus 1 is equal to, sorry, p minus 1 minus 4 is equal to 34 minus 4. Okay, so here 4 and 4 become 0, and here we get p 5 into p minus 1 is equal to 34 minus 30, that is 30. So this implies, here we can see that 5 is multiplied with the term having p. So in order to remove this 5, we have to divide the both side by 5, because 5 is multiplied, therefore we have to divide. So let's see this. Dividing 5 on both sides, we get 5 p minus 1 upon 5 is equal to 30 upon 5. Okay, and here we can see 5 and 5 cancelled out, and we get p minus 1 is equal to 5 1 ja 5 and 5 6 ja 36. So here we get p minus 1 is equal to 6. Now again we can see that 1 is subtracted from p. So in order to convert this 1 as 0, we have to add 1 on both sides. So when we add, we get p minus 1 plus 1, sorry, plus 1 is equal to 6 plus 1, and this will be equal to 1 and 1 cancelled out, and we get p plus 0 is equal to 7, or this implies p is equal to 7. Therefore p is equal to 7 is the right answer. Therefore p is equal to 7 is the right answer. Now let's check the solution. For this we have to put p is equal to 7 in the original equation, and the equation was 4 plus 5 into p minus 1 is equal to 34. So now substitute the value. This implies 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5 and 7 minus 1 is equal to 34. This will be equal to 4 plus 5 multiplied by 6, because here 7 minus 1 is 6, and this is equal to 34, or this will be equal to 4 plus 30 is equal to 34. This implies 34 is equal to 34, which shows that left hand side is equal to right hand side, and I hope the solution is clear to everyone. If you have any doubt, then please mention a comment in the comment section. I will clear your doubt in my next video. So we shall meet in the next video with new question. Till then, goodbye.